It's a story that broke hearts across the country. A bride fatally mowed down by an alleged drunk driver on her wedding day. But as Mercogliano reports, instead of being bonded by grief, the groom and his mother-in-law are locked in a bitter feud.
It was an unthinkable tragedy. A beautiful bride mowed down on her wedding night by a drunk driver. Now the bride's mom, Lisa Miller, is claiming her daughter was never legally married to the groom. If true, that would make her the beneficiary of what could be a multi-million-dollar estate and not the groom.
I'm not sure what would bring her to actually challenge the validity of her own daughter's marriage in order to get money.
34-year-old Samantha Miller and the love of her life, Eric Hutchinson, were married on a beach in South Carolina last April. She was killed later that night, and he was seriously injured as they rode in a golf cart to an Airbnb. I spoke with his attorney, Patrick Wooten.
The only indication that Ms. Miller lawyers have given for challenging the validity of the marriage is that Sam and Eric didn't have the opportunity to cohabitate or sleep in the same bed after they got married, because of course Sam was tragically killed the night of the wedding. It is crystal clear that you do not have to cohabitate or spend the night together in order to have a valid marriage.
The first hint of the family rift came after 25-year-old Jamie Komorowski appeared in court, charged with vehicular homicide. Lisa Miller wanted Samantha's maiden name to be used and not her married name of Hutchinson.
Samantha's name is Samantha Miller.
The bride's estate is expected to be worth millions of dollars because of lawsuits against the bars and restaurants where the driver allegedly got drunk.
Eric had a good relationship with his mother-in-law until she began threatening to challenge the validity of his marriage.
The bride's mother tells us she hopes they can work this out because it's what her daughter would have wanted. The driver, meantime, has pled not guilty.